I don't know if it's because it's cold out or what, but I could not get these beads to set. All 4 tires tried to kill me. So I thought I'd give you a little demo of how to get real close to blowing your face off. Now if you're wondering about the gas, use it until you get scared and then use it. You'll be fine, maybe. And when you get to your 4th tire, remember there's going to be a lot of residual residue trying to burn you up too. No joke, it's a piece of cake. Except make sure you got your air ready, because that thing will deflate almost as quickly as it inflates. That's something they don't tell you on the other bids. All right.